Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. South from Keswick, the B5289 winds to a minor road branching off to the left that leads to three amazing picturesque places in the Lake District. Firstly, Ashness Bridge, then Surprise View and on to Watendlath. One of the most photographed bridges in the Lake District, Ashness is a fine small packhorse bridge built of traditional stone on a single track over a fast running beck. It is a perfect foreground for the view north over Derwentwater and Bassenthwaite, with the massive Skiddaw rising steeply above Keswick.